Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Rsa algorithm. Okay, so what is Rsa algorithm? It is an asymmetric key cryptography algorithm. Asymmetric key means two keys. There are two keys. One key is used as public key and the other key is used as private key. So what is public key used for? Public key is used for encryption and private key is used for decryption. For example, I am telling you, there is email ID. Email ID can be shared with everybody. Everybody can send messages with that. Okay, but suppose I am receiving a message, so nobody can see my email, na, without the private key. So with the help of private key, I can see the message. So there are two keys. One is public. Public, you can say the email, email account, email account is the public key, and the email password is the private key. So this is an example. Okay, the public key is known to all users in the network. Private key is kept secret. Okay, the public key is used for encryption. Private key is used for decryption. The way I told, the RSA algo is a block cipher algorithm in which the plain text and the ciphertext are integers between 0 and n-1 for some n. Now we talked about asymmetric key. Then there must be some symmetric key algorithms also. Yeah, there are AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, DES, Data Encryption Standard, 3DES, RC4, Safer, IDEA, CAST 5, Blowfish. All these are symmetric key algo. So those we will be discussing later on. Today we are going to discuss about only RSA algo. Okay. Now let's go to the algorithms. Step 1. Select two large prime numbers P and Q. Number 2. Calculate n into n equal to P into Q. Number 3. Calculate phi of n equal to P minus P minus 1 into Q minus 1. Number 4. Choose the value of E such that 1 less than E less than phi of n and GCD of phi of n comma E equal to 1. What is GCD of phi of n comma E equal to 1? That means phi of n and E should be co-prime. Co-prime मतलब इसका क्या आएगा? इसका जो ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर कितना होगा? 1. 1 के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. जैसे 2 और 7 है तो दोनों का यदि if I do the GCD, what we'll get only 1. So that is co-prime. 2 and 7 are co-prime. 2 and 4 are not co-prime. 4 and 16 are not co-prime because 4 can divide 16. 15 and 75 are not co-prime because 5 is the greatest common divisor. So co-prime is when the GCD is equal to 1. That is a co-prime. Now you have to calculate D. D equal to E inverse mod of phi of n. E we got from the previous step. Then you have to calculate D. D equal to E inverse mod of phi of n. E inverse, so we can get D of the D equal to 1 mod phi of n. And public key equal to E comma n. Private key equal to D comma n. Okay. These things we will be using in the example. Okay. Now for this RSA algorithm is for encryption and for decryption both. Now what is the formula for encryption? C equal to m to the power of E mod n, where m is the plain text and m less than n. M should be less than n. This is the condition. Okay. And C is the ciphertext, where C is the ciphertext. Now for decryption, m equal to C to the power of D mod n. Okay. Now let's take an example. Example. Let P equal to 5, Q equal to 11. Now N equal to P into Q. Now let me tell you one thing. P and Q are two very large prime numbers. Okay, I am taking 5 and 11 over here because it is easy to calculate. In the algo, the P and Q are very large numbers. Okay, equal to 5 into 11 equal to 55. First step is calculated. Now we have to calculate phi of n. Now phi of n equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1. P minus 1 is 5 minus 1 into 11 minus 1 equal to 4 into 10 equal to 40. Now we have to find E such that E is greater than 1 and less than phi of n, and GCD of phi of n, E comma phi of n, must be equal to 1. Let me take E equal to, it's 40 na? Let me take 7. Let E equal to 7. I have taken on my own, okay? E equal to 7. So 7, we see that seven is greater than 1 and 7 is less than 40 and 40 GCD, one second, GCD of 40 comma 7 is equal to 1. Now how GCD of 40 comma 7 equal to 1? Now I am dividing. How to compute GCD? I am showing you that thing also. 7 5 is 35. 5 is left. And 7 is coming over here. 5 1 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 divided 5. 2 2 is 4. 4. So 5 minus 4. These are all minus. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 divided 2. 1 2 is 2. 0. So what is happening over here? This 1. This is the GCD. Okay. So this is how GCD is calculated. You have earlier also done this method, but I am showing you this over here also. Okay. Now we got E. Now what you have to find out? D, I think. D equal to what? D equal to E inverse mod of phi of n. Calculate. Calculate D equal to E inverse mod of phi of n, or D into E equal to mod of 1 mod phi of n. Now this symbol, you know what is this symbol? This one is congruent to. Okay. Now D is how much? D we do not know. So D into E. E is how much? E is I think 7 equal to 1 mod phi of n. Phi of n is how much? Phi of n is 40, I think, 40. Now we have to find out D. D, or you can write like this, or D into 7 mod 40 इक्वल टू 1. मतलब क्या हो गया? D को 7 से, D का कोई वैल्यू आएगा जो 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, mod 40 करेंगे तो क्या आएंगे? रिमाइंडर विल बी 1. ओके. तो 7 5 is 35. 35 को 40 से हो नहीं सकता. 7 6 is 42. 40 से नहीं, 7 7 is 49 नहीं हो सकता. 7 8 is 56 नहीं हो सकता. 7 9 is 63. 7 12 is 84. तो you have to calculate that. और we can do like one more thing. इसको देखो 7 into 1, D का वैल्यू क्या लेंगे? D का वैल्यू 1 लो, 2 लो, 3 लो, ऐसे करके मल्टीप्लाई करते रहेंगे. और mod 40 से डिवाइड करते रहेंगे, रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? 1. लेकिन ऐसे करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो what we will do? One more method is there here. और D equal to 1 plus K mod phi of n upon E. This is also one method to calculate this D. Okay, because in that way, in this way, the calculation will be very lengthy. So we are using this formula, alternate formula. Now K का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 0 1 2, जब तक पूरा डिवाइड ना हो, ई पूरा डिवाइड करेगा उस इस स्टेटमेंट को, डिवाइडिंग करेगा तब तक हम के का वैल्यू पुट करते रहेंगे। देखिए लेट्स सी, के इक्वल टू 0 यदि पुट करते हैं तो डी का वैल्यू कितना हो गया, 1 प्लस 0 अपॉन ई इज हाउ मच, ई इज 7, तो 1/7, ये डेसिमल आ गया, ये नहीं चलेगा। के इक्वल टू 1 पुट करो, डी इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 1 इंटू मॉड ऑफ फी ऑफ एन कितने हैं, फी ऑफ एन 40 है, 40 अपॉन 7, तो 41, 40 प्लस 1 41 इक्वल टू 41 अपॉन 7, ये तो डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे, एब्सोल्यूट डिवीजन नहीं हो रहे। के इक्वल टू 2, तो के इक्वल टू करें, डी इक्वल टू क्या होगा, 1 प्लस 2 इंटू 40 अपॉन 7, 42 is 80 plus 1, 81 upon 7. It's not possible. K equal to 3. Take one more sheet. K equal to 3. तो D equal to क्या होगा, 1 plus 3 into 40 by 7. 120, 43 is 120, 121 by 7. 1 second. 121 divided 7. 7 over 7, yeah, it is also not dividing. Now K equal to 4. Let's take K equal to 4. We have to go on like this. So D equal to क्या होगा, 1 plus 4 into 40 upon 7. 40, 160, 161 upon 7. तो क्या हो रहा है, 7 to 14, तो क्या हो रहा है, 7 2 14, 7 3 23, तो क्या हो गया, D का वैल्यू कितना हो गया, तो D इक्वल टू 23। कैन यू सी हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड, D इक्वल टू 23, ये हमारे वहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। हाउ इजीली वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड दिस। आप देखो 23 को आप यहाँ पे करो, 23 इंटू 7 कितना, 161, 161 मॉड 40 करते ही कितना आएगा रिमाइंडर, डी का वैल्यू कितना है, 23। नाउ 23 बैक कैलकुलेशन, ट्वेंटी थ्री इंटू 7 मॉड 40 करो, 161 मॉड 40 से डिवाइड करो, 44 जो 160, तो रिमाइंडर कितना हो गया, 1। देखो आ गया ना। तो दिस इज व्हाट वी डिड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मेथड। आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर नाउ। ई भी मिल गए, डी भी मिल गए, एवरीथिंग वी गॉट इट। नाउ व्हाट इज द पब्लिक की, वन सेकंड, पब्लिक की क्या होगी, ई कॉमा एन, ई का वैल्यू कितने, ई इज हाउ मच, ई इज 7 कॉमा एन 55 आई थिंक, और प्राइवेट की इक्वल टू डी कॉमा एन, डी के वैल्यू कितने, 23 कॉमा 55। आई होप इट इज क्लियर, पब्लिक की प्राइवेट की इतना तो क्लियर है। अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक एग्जांपल लेंगे और एग्जांपल लेके हम देखेंगे हाउ इट इज डन। ओके, इंक्रिप्शन एंड डिक्रिप्शन। इंक्रिप्शन का फॉर्मूला क्या है, C इक्वल टू एम टू द पावर ऑफ E मॉड n, और क्या है m लेस देन n, तो m को क्या करेंगे, n से लेस चाहिए। C इक्वल टू इंक्रिप्शन के लिए क्या करेंगे, फॉर इंक्रिप्शन C इक्वल टू m टू द पावर ऑफ E मॉड n एंड m मस्ट बी लेस देन n। ये कंडीशन है, दिस वन इज द प्री कंडीशन, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन। So the public key is 7 and the private key is 23. Okay, for encryption the formula is C equal to m to the power of E mod n and m should be less than n. Okay, we have taken an example. Let me solve it. Let me do it. Suppose Let's take an example. Suppose the message m equal to 5. Okay. Now what you do? You have to encrypt this message m equal to 5. So what do we do? What is the formula? C equal to m to the power of e. Mane 5 to the power of e. What is the e is 7. So 5 to the power of 7 mod, what is n? N is 55. So calculate what is 5 to the power of 7 mod 55. 5 to the power of 7 matlab what are we to do? Equal to 5 to the power of 3 into 3 to the 6 into 5 mod 55. I hope it is clear. 5 to 3 is 125 square, what, 5 mod 55. I hope it is clear. Now 125 mod 55 is how much? 15. This is equal to 15 square into 5 mod 55. Now 15 square is how much? 2 to 5. 2 to 5 into 5 mod 55. I hope it is clear. Now 2 to 5 को जब मैं 55 से divide करूँ, what will be remainder? Remainder will be 5. Remainder will be 5. So 5 into 5 mod 55 equal to 25 mod 55. So what is there? So 25 cannot be divided by 55. The answer will be 25. So this one is the ciphertext. This one is the ciphertext. Ciphertext that cannot be read by anybody else except the receiver. Okay. Now we have to find out. Now we will decrypt it. So decrypt. What is the formula for decryption? Let's go and see. For decryption, m equal to c to the power of d mod n. For decryption, for decryption, m equal to c to the power of d mod n, which is equal to c. C is how much? 25 to the power of d. D is how much? This one is the private key. D is 23 mod 55. Is it clear? Now what we will do? So we can write 25 square 2 11 22 into 25. We can write like this also. Mod 55. 25 square is how much? 625 to the power of 11 into 25 mod 55. Now 625 को 5 से divide 55 से divide करो तो what remainder will get? 20, which is equal to 20 to the power of 11 into 25 mod 55. Now 23 to the power of 11. So what we can write? 20 square 2 5 is 10 into 20 into 25 mod 55. 20 square is how much? 400 to the power of 5 dot 20 dot 25 mod 55. I hope it is clear. Now 400 को 55 से divide करने से what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 15. So 15 to the power of 5 dot 20 dot 25 mod 55. 15. Now what you get it? 15 square whole square into 2 to the 4 into 15 to the power of 1 into 20 into 25 mod 55. Because 15 square is how much? 225. A whole square dot 15 dot 20 dot 25 dot 25 mod 55. Now 55 225. So what will be the remainder? 225, 25. 5 will be the remainder, I think. 225. So 55 to the 110 to the 220. 220. So 221 5. 5 into 15 into 20 into 25 mod 55. Now what will be the answer? 25 to the 500. 5 to 75. 5 is 375. 0, 0. 15, 575, 5 is 375, mod 55. If you find the remainder will be 5. So this one is the message that we send. This one is the original message. Original message that is decrypted. And the receiver receives the 5. Okay. So he decrypted the message. Okay. In this form, and he got 5. So this is the way RSA algorithm works. Okay. Thanks for watching.